Oh, we give you praise. We give you praise, dear Lord. We give you praise, dear Lord. Let you have your way. Oh, we let you have your way. Nola hayamini hi sai. Shimdisini hi yapata. Enemy hi kai. Sundala mahayatene. Sinamahasi. Ifayano kunahayitene. Somebody nehiki. Aika mahayatano huta. Ishayala mohuyala mahata. Kena hina hatai. Kena hina hatai. Oh, hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Oh, let's wait on the Spirit of the Lord, folks. The Lord's given you an interpretation for that message that He just sent us in an unknown language. Go ahead and get it. He's given you an interpretation. Oh, hallelujah. Let's just wait on the Lord. Oh, hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Hallelujah. Lord, let you have your way. Have your way, dear Lord. Have your way. Open your eyes. Look around you. See the power of my hand at work in your life. See the love that I have for you. I have placed you on this earth. You are my creation. And I love you. You have trials. You have tribulations. You have hard days. But it does not make me any less God. For I, God, created you. I created everything you know and understand. Give me the praise that I desire to hear from your voice. Give me the praise that I desire to hear from your voice. Oh, for those of you who may not be familiar with what just happened, the Lord moved to give a message in an unknown language to us. And He gave us an interpretation for that message, and that interpretation is for us to give Him the praise that He desires to hear from us. Oh, we have hard days. Yes, we'll have them. Yes, we'll have trials. We'll have sickness. We'll have things bother us. But that does not keep Him from being God. It never has and it never will, folks. It never has and never will. Let's give the Lord praise right now. Give Him praise right now, folks.